So our landing page, when we first open up, we see our landing page. How do we get here? Well, you enter the IP address of your wireless LAN controller. This is one of the properties you would have to have changed. Remember, by default, this is 192.168.1.1. You want to change this by default into something else, right? To match your environment. What is your management VLAN? What is an IP address that's available in your management VLAN? So let's go to my environment and take a look. Here you can see in my environment, I have 10.0.0.234. That's in the management VLAN for my environment, and that is an available IP address. When I click login, it's going to be the password and user that I set up before. Let's see that again. Make sure I type everything correctly. Okay, so you can see that now I'm actually in my wireless LAN controller. I went through the wizard, I made some changes. You can see I have 2 access points available, 1 wireless network. So make sure you understand, once you change that management interface, we will have a different place to go in your wizard, all right? So what else is available to us in our landing page? You saw my dashboard there for a moment. Let's look at the dashboard here. We can switch from a pie to a table chart. The elements are clickable links for an interface item. Let's actually look at that in my environment now. You can see here, I'm on my dashboard. I have the ability network summary. You can see my wireless networks available, access points, my pie chart. I can switch this to a table like they said. So now I'm looking at a table. Now I'm looking at a pie chart. All these are clickable, by the way. If I want to look at my access points in depth, I click on the check mark and it brings me directly to those APs. So here's some of the things we can see from the monitor options from the summary screen. We can change the default landing page. You can see here it says dashboard on this side, or we can change it to monitor summary. We also have the advanced to go to monitor summary, and this brings us to this page here. So enough talking about it, let's actually do it. So in my environment here, I can click on monitor. We can see I'm at the monitor page. We can look at this configuration. I see I have 25 different access points I can use. We have a software version, field, recovery, top VLANs. Okay, so we can see a lot of information here at the monitor area, but I can always get back to my dashboard by clicking on home. So home brings me to my dashboard. We can see all the things at a glance. I can see my different settings. We can click settings here. We can see our landing page is the dashboard, or I can set it to monitor summary if I want. I can go back and forth with these two. You can see I'm logged in as an administrator. I can log out. When I click advanced, it takes me directly to monitor. So I get a deeper view of everything that's going on. Like we said, if I ever need to go back to the dashboard, I click home and there I am.